Hi, I am Dr. Jyotika Pruthi. I welcome you all to my channel, Professor Tales. The purpose of Professor Tales is to help you learn important concepts of computer science asked during interviews through stories. So, in this session, we would be understanding what are interrupts and its types in computer architecture. Meet this boy. His name is Processor. Due to lockdown, his online classes are going, and at this moment, he is busy with completion of his assignment. Here comes his mother, whose name is Software. Processor, can you please help me in the kitchen? Mom, please don't interrupt. I have a deadline tomorrow. Then comes his father. His name is Hardware. Processor, my son, can you please pay the electricity bill as today is the last day to pay? So as you noticed, Processor's father and mother have interrupted him. Processor has now 3 tasks to do. He has to complete his assignment, he has to help his mother in the kitchen, and he is supposed to pay the electricity bill. Processor is a smart kid. He will choose the task that has the highest priority. He knows that he can submit the assignment tomorrow, but today is the last day to pay the electricity bill. So he decides to first pay the electricity bill, then he will complete his assignment, and at the end he can help his mother. As you can notice, he first saves his assignment so that he can complete it after he pays the bill. It's time to run my function interrupt handler. Dad, the bill has been paid. I'm going to complete my assignment from the point where I had left. Do not interrupt or disturb me, please. So now we can define the terms formally. As we just met Processor's family, his father Hardware and his mother Software were attached to him. They were able to interrupt their son Processor. Similarly, a number of input-output devices are attached to the processor, and each device is able to generate an interrupt request. Point 2. As you noticed, father and mother had interrupted processor because they wanted immediate help. Similarly, in digital computers, an interrupt is an input signal to the processor indicating an event that needs immediate attention. Point 3. Always remember, when 2 or more devices like father and mother interrupted the processor simultaneously, the processor checks and serves the device with the highest priority. That is why he paid the electricity bill first. Point number 4, very important point to remember. When processor decides to complete high priority task, he stops its current activities, save their state, and then execute a function known as interrupt handler to deal with the high priority task. That is why it is known as priority interrupt. Now let's discuss about types of interrupts. There are 2 types of interrupts, hardware interrupt and software interrupt. Hardware interrupt is caused by any peripheral device like mouse, keyboard, printer, etc. For example, each time you click a mouse button, you send an interrupt signal to the device. And a software interrupt is generated by software, and they are caused by software instructions. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also, do let me know in comments the topic you would like to understand next through a story. Thank you.